Kirsten, and today I am going to share this unboxing with you because I am really excited about what's in this box. What's in the box? Sorry. This is actually something that I won on Instagram. An Instagram giveaway hosted by Mark from Men Who Bullet, our favorite Arch and Olive Subbox sneak peek correspondent. And I'm super excited. This is probably the coolest thing I've ever won. I think it's really something special, and I wanted to share this little unboxing experience with you guys. And yeah, so let's get to it. I haven't even finished my second morning coffee. That's how early this showed up. What's in that box? So this is one thing, and this is the other thing. I'm gonna pull you guys a little closer. Oh, I'm so excited. This is something really special. Ooh, it's a pretty box. Very nice, very nice, very nice. I'm so excited. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is stunning. It's so heavy. This is so cool. This is actually a rollerball pen, but you can fill this with what's in here, which is fountain pen. Let me see if I can. Scissors. Sorry. Oh, that's a nasty sound. Sorry about that. So yeah, I won the pen, and I also won some fountain pen ink that I can use to fill up this puppy. I picked a brown color because I like vintagey feel of that. And, oh my god, this is so pretty. Are you kidding me? It's so stunning. Come on. Okay, I don't know if there's ink in there already, so I'm gonna grab a little piece of paper and see if it works. Sure it does. It is really heavy. This is one of the heaviest pens that I own currently. I think heavy equals quality. Oh god, I'm such a dork. Anyway, let's see. I'm not sure if there's anything in there, but I can check. Okay. I'm going to go figure out how I fill this thing up, and I will be back. I'm back! Sorry. I was able to fill it up. I did pick some of the ink all over my hands. I'm not used to filling my pens up with such pretty inks. My fountain pens that I do use come with those standard cartridges. This one also does, by the way, because these are this one that's already filled. And then there's these. This also came in package. Boarding. And, but I fill it up. Wow. Oh, this writes like a dream. Oh, wow. This is really cool. Really, really cool. Oh my god. It's freaking stunning. I love that. There were a couple I could pick from, and this is the rainbow one. Obviously. God, it is so pretty. I might have found my new favorite pen. This is stunning. It writes really, really smooth. The filling is very easy. Pretty much once you've seen it on YouTube, it's pretty self-explanatory. Wow, I love this. Thank you so much, Mark. Thank you to Monteverde for providing Mark to do this giveaway and for giving me this pen. It is stunning. I can't wait to use this probably on a daily basis, because the fact that it's retractable makes it really safe and love. So pretty. And I finally got some fancy ink. What else? Oh yeah, sorry. So this is also in the box, which is like the Monteverde collection. There's so many pretty pens. I really should not be looking at this because, oh, they're so cold. No, go away. Sorry. But this is really cool. Really, really cool. Thank you so much, Mark, and Monteverde and Private Reserve Ink for an awesome giveaway. This is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day, everybody, and see you soon. Bye.